Escape to a world where time slows, and every moment is crafted for tranquility. Discover your own rhythm of renewal, whether it's the invigorating challenge of the greens or the profound peace of a personalised spa journey. Here, shared experiences deepen and individual joys flourish in perfect harmony. Your unforgettable oceanside retreat awaits. Book your escape today. Embrace the warmth of the night, where stories are shared and laughter echoes under the vast sky. Life's simple pleasures become memories that last a lifetime. With each new day, discover the beauty that awaits you. Let the gentle waves remind you of life's endless possibilities. Our dedicated staff ensures every detail is perfect, leaving you free to enjoy every moment. Let us craft the experience you've always dreamed of.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving back into Hypernatural AI, known as the best end-to-end video editor, where you can go from an idea to a fully animated video in just a couple of minutes, which includes consistent characters across each scene, custom styles, and actual motion. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through my full workflow. I'm going to show you how quickly I made this. To get started, head on over to hypernatural.ai. Of course, the link is going to be in the description and pinned comment below as always. Let's click on sign up. I'm going to continue with Google. Once you're inside the platform, everything is super straightforward. I'm under the create section at the very top. Let's make our video. You can start with anything like a short story, concept, even just a rough idea, and then go from there. All right, here's my prompt. I want to make a cinematic promotional video about a couple at a peaceful, high-end oceanside resort, going with a calm, refined, immersive experience. I want my video to follow around this couple as they're enjoying their experience at this resort. I want about half the shots to be focusing on the couple enjoying their time together. And then for the other half, I want them to enjoy their time by themselves. Let's open up length. I'm going to go with less than 60 seconds. You can also go with 1 to 3 minutes. 3 to 10 minutes, and long form for longer than 10 minutes. Going with a 16:9 aspect ratio. Let's punch in my idea. All right, here we go. And in no time at all, we have a narrator, a style, we got the aspect ratio, and we have our two characters that are going to be our consistent characters throughout this narrative. Let's drop down narrator. Let's have a listen.
Every video deserves the right voice.
Whether it's an announcement, an ad campaign, or a bedtime story.
I'm going to go with Archer. Let's open up style. We've got lots to consider. 3D animation, 8-bit, anime, bioluminescent, classic horror, fantasy, grunge. For my vision, I definitely want to keep this at photographic, 16:9. And then we have our characters as well. So we've got the man, we've got Mateo, and then for the woman, we have Ashley. And if we wanted to add a new character, we could do that as well, but I'm pretty happy with these two. Now we have our script to go through. At first glance, the script is looking a little bit too short for what I was hoping for. So I'm going to come over here and click on longer. Let's do that. Okay, now we're at 53 seconds. So I'm going to have a little scan through. We're starting off with a beach sunset, wide shot capturing the couple and the resort. We've got our narration. We're going from the golf course over to the restaurant, resort bonfire. That sounds pretty good. Secluded beach cove. I like the sound of that. This is looking solid to me. If I wanted to make any changes, I could do that right here. I'm going to click on make video. All the different environments are being built in real time, just like this. Looks like it's coming along nicely. Assembling the video. We're in the final stages before we can take a look. All right, here we go. We have our video framework to go through. Let's have a quick watch through.
Your unforgettable oceanside retreat awaits. Book your escape today. Embrace the warmth of the night, where stories are shared and laughter echoes under the vast sky.
All right, at first glance, I'm super happy with how everything is looking right now. Before we go in and add motion, this is going to be a good time to make any edits. I noticed we had 2 back-to-back shots of them at the beach. I'm going to come over to swap at the very top, and I'm going to swap out this image. Maybe we can have it so they're lying on the beach and looking up at the stars. Let's go with this revision. Lying on their backs on the beach and gazing up at the stars. Let's generate the image. Okay, perfect. Now we have the couple lying on the beach, just like I asked for. I'm going to swap out this part as well. So I want a beautiful shot of the entire sunset right on the ocean. Let's generate. Here we go. We've got our nice sunset. Here's our script settings. You can easily edit the script as well. But right now I'm very happy with how it's sounding. So I'm going to hit cancel. Once you're pretty happy with how everything is looking, this is where the biggest feature within Hypernatural comes into play, because we're going to add full motion to each and every scene. So at the very top, I'm going to click on full motion. I've got each and every scene selected just like this. For the animation model, I'm going to go with best. You can also pick your specific model if you want to go that route. We've got 11 out of 11 scenes chosen. I'm going to click on add motion right here.
Escape to a world where time slows, and every moment is crafted for tranquility. Discover your own rhythm of renewal, whether it's the invigorating challenge of the greens or the profound peace of a personalised spa journey. Here, shared experiences deepen and individual joys flourish in perfect harmony. Your unforgettable oceanside retreat awaits. Book your escape today. Embrace the warmth of the night, where stories are shared and laughter echoes under the vast sky. Life's simple pleasures become memories that last a lifetime. With each new day, discover the beauty that awaits you. Let the gentle waves remind you of life's endless possibilities. Our dedicated staff ensures every detail is perfect, leaving you free to enjoy every moment. Let us craft the experience you've always dreamed of.
There's our full generation brought to life. All the settings have been integrated together quite seamlessly. The characters are consistent, the video flows nicely. We went from a simple idea to building out the characters and the style, to generating the storyboard, to refining everything, and then turning it all into a fully animated video with motion. Hypernatural practically holds your hand every step of the way. If you want to try this out for yourself today, check out the link in the description below. Hypernatural also offers a free plan as well, so you can jump in and start testing this right away. If you do decide to upgrade, you can use my code in the description below for 10% off your first subscription. I'm curious about what you're going to create with this platform. Let me know in the comments below. And with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.